Hi, welcome to Aivolut Books, the ultimate AI book writing generator to help you write and publish fast. In this video, I'm going to show you just how simple it is to generate fiction book ideas. After logging in, you'll land in your dashboard and you should see the Ideas in Brief section. You can confirm this by checking the app menu on the left. To start generating, go to the Generate Ideas section. Then choose the type of your book. Next, select a genre. In this example, we're going with science fiction. Then type in your initial idea or topic here. A general idea works great, but if you already have some details, you can add them too. Finally, click Generate and wait a few moments for your results. Once they're ready, you can review and edit the ideas right away or choose the best one for you. And here's a nice bonus. If you'd like to generate more, you can do that freely without using up any of your credits. Just click Generate again to see more results. And that's it. You're all set to start creating your next great story idea in seconds. Hope this inspired you. Hit subscribe and keep writing smarter with Aivolut Books.